In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Kanban in Jira. This is a powerful tool to help you manage your projects more effectively. Whether you're new to Kanban or just need a refresher on setting it up in Jira, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Jira. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Jira login page. Once you're there, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled either Spaces or Project. Click on that to access the various projects you're working on. Next, you'll notice a plus sign. This is your gateway to creating a new project. Click on this icon. From the menu that appears, look for and select Software Development. Don't worry if you're unsure about this step. Jira is designed to make project creation straightforward. Once you've clicked on Software Development, you will see options for different methodologies. Select Kanban here. The beauty of using Kanban in Jira is its simplicity. It allows teams to visualize their workflow and improve efficiency, and now we're about to make that happen. When you're presented with a screen to choose a template, click on Use Template. This option offers a preset structure tailored for Kanban, ensuring you hit the ground running without setting up everything manually. The next choice you'll face is whether to utilize a team-managed or company-managed project. For smaller teams or isolated work streams, team-managed might be the way to go, offering you more flexibility. Larger organizations may find company-managed more beneficial for its administrative capabilities. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Once that decision's made, click on Select a Team-Managed Space. You're essentially choosing where this project will reside within your Jira setup, so ensure it aligns with your team's needs. You will then be prompted to type in a name for your project. Make it relevant and concise. Something that reflects the purpose or goal of the project will serve you well in the long run. After naming your project, you'll choose how your space is managed. Here, consider the level of oversight required and the roles you need in place. This is vital for project accountability and transparency. Then, you'll be asked to choose your access settings. These dictate who can view or edit the project, so make thoughtful decisions here to maintain security and collaboration. Finally, click Next to move forward. You'll see an option to bring your team along. For now, we'll skip this, but remember, inviting team members can immediately broaden the collaborative potential of your Kanban setup. And just like that, there's your Kanban board, ready for use. This clear visual method of managing tasks will allow your team to work more efficiently, highlighting tasks that need attention and smoothing out bottlenecks. Thank you for joining me today and happy project managing.